What's up, everybody? This is Ashok from the DaisyInvestor.com, and I am here with one of the first Excel basic videos for you. So, in this video, I will show you a quick way to sum the entire function or entire column with a shortcut. So, we see that every time we have to sum up, we have to manually enter a formula like equals to sum function. So here is how it works. There are 10 numbers we can enter. So these are these are 8 numbers. So for example, we have to sum it all up at once. So the shortcut for it is alt equals to and enter. So here is the sum total in one go. We can also format it if we want. It's alt h e. So that's all for the video. In the next video we will see another trick. Thanks, like, subscribe, and keep watch for the next videos. Bye bye.